Okay guys, dito na kami sa hallway on the way sa restaurant. Nakita nyo naman kung gaano kaganda yung background, yung pinaka-structure ng building, Atlantis. Talagang mapapawaw ka. Mahihiya ka. Pero check natin lahat.
Yung rooms nila dito is 1,500.
Yun, makakakuha tayo na siguro mga November. So, tatry din namin yung rooms nila. For the meantime, yung food muna nila, tatry namin yung first restaurant. How many outlets do you have?
27.
27 outlets. So, dito pa lang ubus na yung...
Huwag mo akong tanongin.
Okay guys, ito yung pinaka-entrance ng kakainan namin na Saffron restaurant. Bali dito, makikita nyo yung mga iba't ibang boutique. So, yung mga tao, meron chance na makabili muna ng mga gusto nila. Meron ditong Spirit of Dubai, yung perfume, mga Arabic perfume. Actually guys, meron ako nabiling perfume. Napaka-bango niya. Yung Arman ba yun, babe? Yun, napaka-bango niya. It's like 2,000 pesos pero sobrang bango niya. Bali, ito naman yung West Tower Live. Yun naman yung conference center. Papasok dun sa restaurant na pupunta na. Bali, dito madadaanan nyo pa rin yung mga iba't pang boutique pa rin. Extension to ng mga toys, parang Toy Kingdom sa Pilipinas. So you can see yung daming choices like marbles, mga cartoon, mga Disneyland, Walt Disney. Meron silang mga clothes, toys, mga guns, mga robots, cars, para sa mga kids. So dito itong area natin, ito yung booking part ng resort activity. Guys, dito, didiretso pa natin. Papunta na ito sa Saffron. I think we need to go down just to reach the Saffron. Okay guys, nandito na kami sa entrance ng Saffron. Ayan, makikita nyo. So guys, this is the bread station where you can see the focaccia bread with different olives. Then the hard rolls, French bread. We also have corn bread. And here are the mini baguette. We have also another set of focaccia with cheese and sun-dried tomatoes. Good evening. Is this Korean station? Korean station. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Korean black rice.
Wow. Okay. And stew. Okay, thank you. In this station, you can see grilled garlic prawn. We have roasted beetroot and roasted potato. We also have croutons. Then Supino is an Italian-American seafood stew. This is the roast station where you can find the roast beef, Yorkshire pudding, roasted vegetables, and roasted chicken. Then lastly, red snapper. So they have the hot dishes like baked Natch perch with tomato sauce. They also have lamb with vegetables. Here are the condiments. There is tartar sauce, fondue, cocktail sauce, lemon. Here are the display of the selections of maki. We have lobster maki, tuna maki, quinoa maki. There's also California maki, salmon maki. Then there's also onagi maki. Or here are the fresh salmon, octopus that they use in making sashimi that you can request from the chef. And here offers a bed of fresh seafoods like oysters, mussel, prawn, clams, and lobsters. And in this area, the kid is asking the chef to prepare for him a cherry tomato pasta. And now my wife was checking the food in Asian workstation. They have stir-fried bok choy, steamed fish with black bean sauce, and also Singaporean chili crab, tamarind prawn. There are also wok fried Hong Kong noodles, prawn and fish crackers. And here are some selections of Peking duck, which is the most favorite stations of all the guests. Okay. Mostly this one like Chinese, Japanese. Japanese.
Actually, it's Chinese.
Because Peking duck, no?
Yeah. We have some chicken soup.
Okay, there is
and,
chicken soup.
Laksa soup. Laksa soup.
Laksa, okay.
You know the condiments here.
Like shabu shabu.
More or less. I think I will have laksa. Laksa is nice.
And finally, we are now here in the dessert station. As you can see, there is a lot of fruit selection and also ice creams. And also there is a chocolate fountain with a marshmallow, strawberry, then a lot of condiments, a lot of sauces, dry cakes. And this side there is a macaroons and also a lot of desserts. They have opera cake, banana cake, there's a lemon cheesecake also. So, anong kinuha mo, babe?
Ano, California maki, tapos
California,
lobster maki.
maki.
Ito, ano siya, laksa.
Laksa.
Singaporean laksa. Ikaw, ano yan?
Okay, ito yung mga kinuha ko. Meron akong grilled garlic prawn. Tapos ito naman, red sniper. Meron din akong cherry tomato
Pasta.
Then I have croutons also here.
Tapos ano to?
Then stew. It's a beef stew.
Ito.
Then this one is a beef.
Beef Wellington? O ano?
Yeah, tenderloin.
Beef tenderloin.
Yeah, with the beef.
Ano yan?
Ito naman bread. I have French bread. So, crust talaga siya. Ito focaccia with cherry tomato and some olives. Then I have the elevere butter. And I have also brown bread. Itingnan muna namin kung ano yung lasa. So, guys, to lobster. Yan. Ano sa'yo? Siyempre tamarind. We have some bread. What? Mumbak. Mumbang. Ang tawag yun?
Bang.
Mukbang.
Bang.
Ano?
Laksa nga.
Lapsam. Ha?
Laksa.
Laksa. From where?
Singaporean.
Guys, this one from Singapore. It's laksa. Okay guys, dessert na ako. Ayan, nakuha ko ng macaroons, chocolate macaroons, and passion fruit macaroons.
Ito,
Nice. Iwan, passion fruit macarons. Meron siyang feeling ng passion fruit.